Hey there, health enthusiasts! Let's talk about a drink that's as delicious as it is good for you: pineapple ginger tea. This tropical infusion isn't just a tasty treat, it's packed with health benefits that can truly transform your well-being. Imagine sipping on a warm cup of sunshine that soothes your digestion, boosts your immunity, and even gives you radiant skin. Sounds amazing, right? Well, get ready to discover the wonders of pineapple ginger tea and how it can revolutionize your life, one sip at a time. Are you ready to unlock the power of this incredible beverage? Buckle up as we delve into the specific health benefits that await you in every cup. Get ready to experience a world of flavor and wellness with pineapple ginger tea. Let's face it, we've all experienced those moments of digestive discomfort. Whether it's bloating, indigestion, or just feeling sluggish after a meal, a happy gut is key to a happy life. That's where pineapple ginger tea swoops in to save the day. Pineapple contains a powerful enzyme called bromelain. Think of bromelain as a superhero for your stomach, breaking down proteins and easing digestion. Meanwhile, ginger, with its active compound gingerol, steps in to reduce inflammation and soothe your tummy. Together, pineapple and ginger create a dynamic duo that promotes optimal digestion. Imagine a team of tiny superheroes working in harmony to keep your gut running smoothly. No more digestive woes, just pure comfort and satisfaction. In today's world, a strong immune system is more important than ever. We're constantly exposed to germs and environmental stressors that can weaken our body's natural defenses. But fear not, because pineapple ginger tea is here to supercharge your immunity. Pineapple is a fantastic source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that strengthens your immune cells and helps them fight off infections. Think of vitamin C as the armor that protects your body's defenses. And ginger, with its anti-inflammatory properties, joins the battle by reducing inflammation and creating an environment where your immune system can thrive. So the next time you feel a cold coming on, reach for a warm mug of pineapple ginger tea. It's like giving your immune system a high five and sending it into battle fully equipped and ready to win. Section 4. Detox Delight. Cleansing your body from within. In today's fast-paced world, our bodies are constantly bombarded with toxins from the environment, processed foods, and stress. These toxins come from the air we breathe, the food we eat, and even the water we drink. Over time, these harmful substances can accumulate in our bodies, leaving us feeling sluggish, bloated, and simply off balance. It's like carrying an invisible weight that drags us down. That's where the detoxifying power of pineapple ginger tea comes to the rescue. This refreshing beverage is not just delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your health. Both pineapple and ginger possess natural diuretic properties, meaning they help flush out excess water and toxins from your body. These ingredients work in harmony to cleanse your system. Picture a gentle stream cleansing your system, carrying away impurities and leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. But that's not all. The benefits of pineapple ginger tea go beyond just detoxification. Pineapple ginger tea also supports liver function, a key organ in detoxification. Your liver is like the body's natural filter, working tirelessly to remove toxins from your bloodstream. Think of your liver as a filtration system, working tirelessly to remove toxins from your bloodstream. By supporting your liver, pineapple ginger tea enhances your body's natural detoxification processes. By supporting your liver, pineapple ginger tea enhances your body's natural detoxification processes, promoting overall well-being from the inside out. So why not make this delightful tea a part of your daily routine and experience the rejuvenating benefits for yourself? Section 5. Nausea relief, ginger to the rescue. We've all been there. That queasy feeling in your stomach that just won't quit. It can strike at the most inconvenient times, whether you're out enjoying a day at the park or simply trying to get through your daily routine. Whether it's from motion sickness, morning sickness, or a simple upset stomach, nausea can really put a damper on your day. It can make even the simplest tasks feel overwhelming and leave you searching for quick relief. But fear not, because ginger, a star ingredient in pineapple ginger tea, has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for nausea. This humble root has a long history in traditional medicine across various cultures. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which have powerful anti-nausea effects. These compounds are known for their ability to soothe the digestive system and provide relief from that unsettling feeling. These gingerols work their magic by calming the stomach muscles and reducing inflammation in the digestive tract, effectively easing those feelings of nausea and discomfort. It's like a natural, gentle hug for your stomach. So, the next time you're feeling nauseous, skip the over-the-counter medications and reach for a soothing cup of pineapple ginger tea. Not only is it effective, but it's also a delicious way to find relief. It's a natural, effective, and delicious way to calm your stomach and get back to feeling your best. Plus, it's a wonderful excuse to take a moment for yourself and enjoy a peaceful tea break in a beautiful setting. Section 6. Metabolism Magic. Boost your energy naturally. Feeling sluggish and low on energy? Pineapple ginger tea can help. This tropical elixir can give your metabolism a natural boost, helping you burn calories more efficiently and feel more energized throughout the day. How does it work? Well, ginger contains thermogenic agents, which essentially means it helps your body generate heat. This process requires energy, and guess what? Burning energy means burning calories. Plus, the enzymes in pineapple aid in digestion, ensuring your body efficiently absorbs nutrients from your food. This means you're getting the most out of your meals and providing your body with the fuel it needs to power through the day. Section 7. Glowing skin and more. The added perks. Beyond its impressive digestive, immune-boosting and metabolism-boosting properties, pineapple ginger tea offers a wealth of additional benefits that will make you wonder how you ever lived without it. This tropical infusion is not just a treat for your taste buds, but a holistic remedy that can enhance various aspects of your health and well-being. Let's start with glowing skin. Pineapple is packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that fights free radicals, those pesky molecules that damage skin cells and contribute to wrinkles and aging. By neutralizing free radicals, vitamin C helps protect your skin, keeping it looking youthful and radiant. But wait, there's more. The natural enzymes in pineapple, such as bromelain, also help to exfoliate the skin, removing dead cells and promoting a brighter complexion. By neutralizing free radicals, vitamin C helps protect your skin, keeping it looking youthful and radiant. But wait, there's more. The natural enzymes in pineapple, such as bromelain, also help to exfoliate the skin, removing dead cells and promoting a brighter complexion. Pineapple ginger tea can also help relieve menstrual cramps, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger has been used for centuries to ease menstrual discomfort, and when combined with pineapple's bromelain, it creates a powerful duo that can make that time of the month a little bit easier. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger and bromelain work together to reduce the pain and discomfort associated with menstrual cramps, making your monthly cycle more manageable. Ginger has been used for centuries to ease menstrual discomfort, and when combined with pineapple's bromelain, it creates a powerful duo that can make that time of the month a little bit easier. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger and bromelain work together to reduce the pain and discomfort associated with menstrual cramps, making your monthly cycle more manageable. And if you're prone to headaches, ginger can come to your rescue once again. Studies have shown that ginger can be just as effective as some over-the-counter pain relievers in reducing headache pain and duration. The natural compounds in ginger help to reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation, which can alleviate the pain and pressure associated with headaches. Studies have shown that ginger can be just as effective as some over-the-counter pain relievers in reducing headache pain and duration. The natural compounds in ginger help to reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation, which can alleviate the pain and pressure associated with headaches. So, there you have it. Pineapple ginger tea is not just a delicious and refreshing beverage, it's a powerhouse of health benefits that can transform your well-being from the inside out. Whether you're looking to improve your skin, ease menstrual cramps, or find a natural remedy for headaches, this tropical elixir has got you covered. Pineapple ginger tea is not just a delicious and refreshing beverage, it's a powerhouse of health benefits that can transform your well-being from the inside out. Whether you're looking to improve your skin, ease menstrual cramps, or find a natural remedy for headaches, this tropical elixir has got you covered. Incorporating this tea into your daily routine can provide a multitude of benefits that go beyond just hydration. From boosting your immunity to giving you glowing skin, this tropical elixir is the perfect addition to your daily routine. So why not make pineapple ginger tea a part of your everyday life and experience the incredible benefits for yourself? Your body and mind will thank you for it.